Attention Scottsdale, Arizona area homeowners and businesses. Why replace your carpet when we can repair it? Over time, carpet can get ugly wrinkles, bumps, and waves. They are not only unsightly, but can be dangerous to walk on. Tripping over carpet happens every day, even when the carpet has been cleaned on a routine basis. Affordable carpet repair utilizes modern restretching technology to restore wrinkled carpet to its original beauty. Your carpet is pulled from the very edges and returned to the smooth surface you had before. With decades of experience, you can trust our team to complete the job to a high standard. Our clients trust our carpet repair service because we take pride in our work. We value honest communication and provide quality work at a fair price. If you have rips, holes, or burns in your carpet, affordable carpet repair can make a world of difference. Call us today at 602-672-1418.